Hello everyone, I Isha Anand, faculty CPJ College, welcomes you all to the CPJ 7th Annual Law Festival, Law Fiesta 2025. Today we have two moot court judges with us, Dr. Aksa, faculty at Sharda University, Dr. Stuti, faculty at Mary Law College. Hello ma'am, welcome to the CPJ College. So ma'am, how was your experience to be at CPJ College?
It was wonderful. I am looking at the students. It's always nice to know that the students are growing, they are learning, and of course the experience was wonderful.
How you felt to be a part today?
It's an amazing experience. It's not the first one, rather. It's my third visit to this particular institution, and every time this is what I have observed. The standard has raised. CPJ is doing really good, and the standard and this particular standard raising of the improvement in the quality is actually evident from the student itself. So it is really good. You people are doing really good.
So ma'am, as you know that today's theme is based on human rights. So what are your views on this theme?
As a faculty of law, when it is about the human right, it's a very risky question from the interviewer to us, because once the faculty of law starts with this particular theme, they never come to an end. But I would summarize it. This theme is really wonderful. When everybody is talking only about AI, you have taken up something which is really essential. The topics you have discussed and the moot proposition, which talks about the fundamental rights of a particular person, the fundamental rights of this particular doctor, the basic human rights were actually inculcated. So it is really wonderful. Rather, when we see like all your program and curricular agenda is summarized and designed in such a way that all the human rights are actually inculcated in somewhere here or there. When it is about the conference, you have taken really good topic. When it is about the moot proposition, it is again really good. So it is going really good, and human right is something which is the need of the discussion in almost all the eras. Wonderful.
What are your views about the theme?
So I would also agree to ma'am. Your topic is emerging trends, right? And it is actually required. When we talk about human rights, many people do not know about it. And yes, the law students are the face of tomorrow, and they should know, actually they must know what the society requires. And we require it actually today. It's important for them to know, and for them publicize it to people, like how important it is for a human, and that is actually required, and you've chosen it, and marvelous it is.
So how was your experience to be a part of today's event at CPJ?
Oh, as I said, it was wonderful. I congratulate CPJ College. You've been conducting it since past many years. I congratulate you again, and yes, it was good. I am already seeing a lot of positive changes in the college, and the level has increased. You're conducting it for 2 days, so many competitions are there, and I got to know so many teams are there. You're doing a great job.
Thank you ma'am, thank you. So ma'am, how you felt to be a part of this event
It's
today?
amazing. It's really good. The kind of hospitality you do provide, the kind of treatment you do have, despite you all are engaged with such a big event, yet nothing is missed. So really good.
Thank you ma'am, thank you so much for your presence and valuable time. Thank you.